Are we live? La 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 la. Yes, we're live. Resident Evil 4. McKnight is in the house, and da is in the house as well. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. No, you're not first. Well, technically you are, because you're the first person that chatted when the stream started. So technically you are, but technically you're not, if that makes sense. Levy, welcome. This is going to be an interesting run. I've been meaning to do this for a very long time. I'm going to retrieve my old PS4, Resident Evil 4 save from my PS2. I hooked it up and I found the memory cards and everything. Sazzy Pezza. Is that Sazzy Pezza? Because in Italian, it's pronounced pezza. It's like a piece. Sazzy piece. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to be booting up my my Resident Evil 4 from my PS2. It's going to be interesting. Gideon, welcome. Welcome, everybody. So, here's what's going to happen. Oh, I forgot to tweet the stream. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Tweeted. All right, so it's Pezza. It's like, yes, it's Pezza. It's like, no, Pezza di pizza. Pezza di pizza. Piece of pizza. All right. Cheer. All right, so here's it's going to happen. All right, hold on. I forgot to put the game in. Where's the... Listen. I'm going to put a CD in my PS2. Like old days. Oh, hold on. I don't want to mess this up, though. Which button pushes the... ejects the... There it is. Okay, because I'm in complete darkness right now. There we go. Look at that going. All right. Okay. I'm gonna make myself comfortable. All right. So drink, check. No pants, check. Game, check. Events log, check. Are we live? There we go. Everything's fine. Sarania, hello. All right. So this is the save. There you go, guys. This is what happened on the 28th of May 2007, I rage quit. I ran out of ammo. I ran into the regenerators, if I'm not mistaken. The time was 1936, okay, 7:30 p.m. That's when I rage quit. I never looked back. That is when I never looked back at this game. And then I tried again last summer when it came out on the PS4. It's amazing. Since then, I've gotten quite good at this game. All right, I've beaten Resident Evil 4 on the PS4 on professional. All right, and I got the PRL for 1 too. So I've become good since then. So I'm very confident I'm going to be able to. So back. Look at that, my outbreak save. Look at this. My outbreak file save file. Look at that. Code Veronica, San Andreas, Capcom net file to play online. Configuration. Interesting. All right. Let's go to the CD. It's interesting playing this game. Exactly 10 years ago? Seriously, Exactly 10 years ago, is that it? What is today's date? The 28th. Whoa, exactly. I didn't even plan that, Levy. Honestly, I didn't even think. My goodness. It's exactly 10 years ago. Today, 10 years ago, I rage quit. Don't mind the no signal, guys. It's fine. It's just calibrating or something. All right, so if the game is too dark, let me know, and I will language select. English. I don't need... okay, this is confusing. If it's too dark, don't worry, guys. If it's too dark, I will increase the brightness. That's not going to be an issue, don't worry. Exactly 10 years ago. That blew my mind right now. All right, it looks like it's going to be dark, I think. We'll see. If it's too dark, we'll increase the brightness. It's not a problem. Dolby Pro Logic 2. There it is, Resident Evil 4 on my PS... Hold on, is the screen centered? It looks very dark. I'm going to increase the brightness real quick. Bear with me, guys, because it looks very dark. This version has easy mode, right? I don't know. We're going to find out together, guys, because I don't really know. So, properties, bear with me, guys, because it looks kind of dark, and I'm going to increase the brightness. Configure. And hold on, I need to see what it looks like on the stream, though. It went dark now, the moment I'm about to. It went, all right, back here again. Let's see. All right, looks better now. All right, the screen is going to refresh. It's going to go dark for a little bit. Don't worry, guys. I got everything under control. Redface Gaming! Welcome. How are you, buddy? Long time no see. It's nice to see you. All right, so let's see. Let us see. So, I'm gonna check. Oh, I don't want. Normal, easy. There's an easy mode. There it is. You guys are right. You guys are awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go back. There it is. The save file from the save file from 10 years ago. Exactly 10 years ago. It's time to end this nightmare. Yeah, it's time to have my revenge from 10 years ago. If I remember correctly, okay, if memory serves me well, I ran out of ammo and I ran out of money. I couldn't even buy more ammo or guns or whatever. Yes, let's go. Oh my goodness. I am so scared right now. Whew. Let's see. Obviously, you need to bear with the game because it needs to load. Oh wow, look at that. The game, alright, the game stretched apparently, so I'm gonna have to redo this. Hold on. I don't know why though. Why did the game stretch? Why you stretch, sucker? No worries, I'll fix it. I think. Bear with me guys, I don't know why I did it. I don't know why I did this. But I shall fix by stretching. Kind of. There we go. Something like this. Is it good? It's not going to be centered though, is it? That's fine. Let's leave it like that. Should be okay. Yeah, there we go. Should be okay. Stream quality okay? Can you guys hear the game? Can you hear me? Alright, so what do I have? Oh, hold on. So what do I have? Oh, that's the map. Alright. That's the map. I keep pressing the wrong button because now I keep... There we go. Wow. Okay, I have a rocket launcher. TMP. Can I reload? Let's see. Okay. I need to remember how to aim. Alright, I'm gonna put the volume up because I can hardly hear the game. And I need to know where they're saying Morires vivir. Alright, let's see if it's better like this. We shall see. If it's too loud, if you can hear the game through my microphone, let me know and I'll lower the volume again. You see? Yes, this is... I remember the music. Yes, this is the... Oh, man, I remember panicking. Exactly, regenerators. My goodness, my memory is perfect. I remember everything. So, I may need some backseating. Oh man. Hold on. I need the... Hold on. What happened? What happened in the chat? Alright, so hold on. Because I remember that I need this gun. TMP ammo, magnum, shotgun shells. Rifle ammo. Alright. Yeah, oh, here, there it is. Combine. Remove. What? Aren't I supposed to... Hold on. I'm confused now, right now. Hold on. Equip. Alright, how do I do the thing? I'm supposed to get the... scope. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So I know what I need to do. It's the regenerators I need to be careful of. And... I'm panicking because... Well, anyway, I saved recently, so... It's not gonna be a problem. But I need to be careful because... Even the... Yes, I need to get the infrared one. Exactly. I haven't got it yet. Okay, I didn't get it yet. Alright, no problems. I'll find it. And the controls are different right now, so... Am I going the right way? Feels like I'm not. No, I'm not going the right way, am I? Here we go. Story of my life, not knowing where to go. Ashley! I was waiting for you, Ashley. Infrared scope is in the freezer room. Yeah, I think I'm going the wrong way. Ashley! I was hoping you'd show up, because this is interesting. Exactly where I remember stopping. Amazing. Oh, yeah, okay, alright. Good. Is this the freezer? Hold on. I already triggered the regenerators. I remember that for sure, because I freaked out and I stopped playing the game. Like, I don't have enough ammo to deal with these guys. You shoot them, you waste ammo. Am I going the right way? Operating room. I may have to check the map. He just got home. Alright. So, where is the refrigerator? Is that it? I don't know. We'll see. I remember triggering them, but we are such in different time schedules. I know, right? Yeah, I'm glad you could show up as well, because... Alright, so... Oh, I haven't triggered them yet. I probably rage quit and I didn't even save after dying, because how many times, probably. There's a puzzle here, I remember doing this. There we go. Wow. This game. Alright, so blue. And then yellow. And then green. And then red. There we go. Can't believe I'm doing this. Alright, so this is what's gonna trigger the regenerators. Yeah, I remember reading this. Talking about how they can regenerate. Yeah, there it is. These creatures are called regenerators. Regenerators have a superior metabolism that allows them to regenerate. And once I read this, I'm like, no way. No way. I'm gonna shoot them and they're gonna heal instantly. And that's exactly what happened, and that's when I rage quit. Wow. Takes me back. Is someone leaving? Gonna be lurking vloggers. Okay, do some art. Okay, Sassy, no problem. I saw some of your art, actually, on Twitter. GG, you're good. Alright, let's go. Lois! There it is. Got the freezer card key. Now I need to find the freezer. I know they're coming. I know they're coming! Bye, have a great time! Bye, have a great time! Bye, have a great time! Bye, 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 bye. Out, 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 out. Now, help me, please. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. Tell me which way. Tell me which way. Tell me which way. Because they're gonna start showing up right away. And I don't have enough ammo. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Do I have a grenade? What am I gonna do? Can I run past him, or is he gonna like run? Nom 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 nom. Is he gonna? There's no point in shooting him, but maybe I can shoot the leg, perhaps, and... No! Don't reload now! No! No, 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 no. Too soon. Too soon, too soon. But at least, hold on. I hate you. You'll only have a great... Use the map, dodge that... yeah, alright. So, what I'm gonna do is... combine with this... Wow, the visuals are really bad in this game. Look how blurry it is. Looks weird, eh? But hey, that's the best I can do. Haha, sucker! Now which way? Is it this way? Is it this way? I have a feeling it's this way. I don't know. Yes! Freezer! Freezer! Yes, put the card. There we go. Whew, I found the freezer. Freezer! Use. Vladimir! Welcome! Walk up until he attacks, then run past him. Yeah. Easier said than done. Or easier for everyone except me. Alright, we did it though. Now it gets easier, I think. Because here's where I get the scopey scope. So this is a game I bought and I never finished. Operate. Thank you. I'm gonna switch my gun now. Well, actually, yeah, let's do it now. Vloggy, make these count. Make them count. So... Oh, this is it, yeah? Actually, I think I can get past this guy, because I can run around. I think. Unless he comes in here right away. We shall see. For everyone except me. I know, right? The door has been locked. No! There we go. Just my luck. Otherwise, it would be too easy, eh? Alright, so, here's what we're gonna do. This is the infrared scope, yes. Infrared scope combined with this. Alright. And now, here comes the awesome part. I never played this game because I hate this Leon. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the whole Leons. I think my favorite Leon is RE2 Leon. Then he became all about the hair. Alright, let's go. Man, I'm scared. I'm already scared, but we're gonna do this. We are going to do this. Run, 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 run. Which way? Which way is he coming? This way? Alright, alright, alright. Aim, 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 aim! Oh! No! You need to aim, man. Oh my, the controls, the controls. I need to get used to the controls. I cannot... Oh, I cannot aim. I don't know what's going on. No! I cannot aim. No. Okay, come this way. Oh, he's making a run for it! No! Did you see that? He made a run. You know what? How do you zoom? Okay, that's not good. Released? Has it been released? No, it hasn't been released, has it? Ah! Ah! Oh, come on! Okay, it's been released. Alright. Man, it's so hard. The controls are also a bit... are a bit iffy. If you get what I mean. How am I doing with money? No, I'm not doing very well. Look at that. Is somebody behind me? Oh my goodness. Where do I go from here? I don't know. I honestly don't know. The gun is very awkward, huh? Alright, how do I zoom? I can't zoom. Alright, alright. There's two of them actually, look at that. And they don't seem to have anything on the back. So hard to aim. Hello? Hello? Okay, there we go. There we go. There you go. Oh, don't run! Don't run! He's still running? Are you kidding me? Alright, no. Not good. No bueno. Ah! Whew. Let's try again. He should have reset now. He should have gone back to where he was. I think. Okay. Now, there is no point in shooting him now. But I am going to shoot him. Alright, so I'm gonna do is... I'm so low on ammo, huh? But what can you do? I'm gonna shoot him once so I trigger him. There we go. Now I hope I don't mess this up. No! Are you kidding me? I cannot do this. I cannot aim! Alright, I think I've got this guy. Oh, this guy. Uh-oh. That's one. Still. Come on. And that's... Oh! I'm gonna heal up. Freddy Falton, welcome to the stream. You sound Maltese, my friend. You must be Maltese. Do not deny it. Do not deny it. Who's snoring? Vloggy, yeah. I am Maltese, yes, sorry. I'm missing chat, I'm playing the game, and these guys stress me out so much. Whew. Okay, let's try again. I hope there's not another one on the other end. No, there isn't. Okay, we can handle this guy. We can handle him, I think. Okay, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Down! No, don't run! You gotta have that bolt action, right? Hey, Nicholas! Alright, I've been here. This is not the right place. No, wrong. My question is, if I blow one of those things, that you know, the regenerator things, Las Plagas on them, if I blow one of them, they come back when I leave the room and come back. Like, what's this situation? Hello? Las Plagas? Regenerators, not Las Plagas. I think I need to go this way. There he is. Let's get him, suckers. And there's two of them, of course. Oh, come on! That was so close. Come on. That's... Oh, I have a great time. Whew. I need the money. Give me the money. Show me the money. Do you have Discord? I do have Discord. Can anybody share my Discord, or am I the only one that can share the Discord? I don't know how it works. I think I'm the only one that can share Discord. Let me share the Discord for everyone who's here right now. Yes, it freaked me out. Let me just real quick share my Discord. I don't do this often, so copy. Here it comes. That's my Discord. I don't share it often, so I can control how many people actually join my Discord, because I don't want it to become like an uncontrollable mess. So anyway, that's my Discord. Everybody's invited right now. Anybody who's watching right now is invited to join my Discord. The link expires in 30 minutes, I think. And I did that on purpose as well. Alright, I'm going to take a sip of Mandarin vodka real quick, because I love it. I love it. And I'm going to continue. Good stuff. Let's continue. There's another one. There's another regenerator. I saw him. In fact, if I do this... pretty sure there was another one. Really? At least they're gone now. At least I'm safe. Hey, Red Vloggy! Much love to you, brother. I know, unless you meant lube. Alright, using the key, use... I'm already doing better progress than I did 10 years ago. Oh, come on. I used it, no. It's not accepting it. Perhaps it's for another door. Oh, no! Guys, help, please. What am I doing wrong? This is the freezer. I don't need to be in there. Here's a dead end. Okay, Freddy. You are welcome to join the party. That's where the conversation continues, actually. You know how I end the stream and you're like, oh, chat's gone now. We can keep talking over there. That's where we keep talking. Alright, I don't know if I'm going the wrong way. I feel like I am. You can get the card data changed. Oh, yes! Where do I go to change that? I know I need to change. It's not here, is it? Or is it? No, it's not, is it? No, it's not. I know I need to do it somewhere. There's lurkers. Lurkers, welcome! Everybody's welcome to lurk. You don't have to chat. But if you chat, you get pants points. If you do exclamation pants, it will tell you how many pants you have. Alright, I'm trying to figure out where I need to go to change the data on the card, because I know I need to do that. But I don't know where. Is it here? I think it is here. Yeah, I think it's here. Ashley, pulling my leg. Where is he? There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, look at that. Alright, he sees me. He sees me. He sees me. And he... Oh. Alright, did I get him? Oh, I have a great time. Oh, I struggle so much with these guys. It's amazing how much I struggle with these guys. Sadzy be lurking. You do it in the freezer. Giggity. But... Alright, this is where I need to do it. In the freezer. There we go. Oh, man. Yeah, they are very creepy, Nicholas, I agree. Very super creepy. Alright, so changing the cards. Beep boop beep. There we go. There was no way I was gonna do it with the regenerator walking around. Never. So, is it this way now? I already forgot which way. Not the right way. This is gonna make me jump down or something, is it? No. This way. I remember. No, it's not. Ah, yes, it is this way. Beep boop beep. Open the door, please. I am so happy I'm doing progress on the game. Coffee for the regenerator. I don't know which is scary, whether it's a regenerator or a molded. I think regenerator is still scarier. I love this music, by the way. I think we're done with regenerators for the time being, so... I only got 10 rounds in the shotgun department. I'm going to reload it. And I'm going to reload... What is this gun, anyway? Rifle, semi-auto. Rifle ammo. TMP ammo, okay. Hang on, this is a rifle and this is a rifle. So I have two rifles. What am I doing with two rifles anyway? That's weird. I'm gonna sell one of them. It's useless. And I'm gonna stick with the shotgun actually. Yeah, even the chainsaw guys used to creep me out, yeah. I'm gonna stick with the shotgun. Un forastero! Oh, this thing. Okay. Oh, come on, seriously, I didn't get one! That's so stupid. I can never do these. Oh, I got one at least. Alright, I did one. Ah! There we go, we got one. Yeah, it's the first time ever that I did this. Nice. And they're coming down, which is fine by me. Come get it, suckers. Uh-oh. You lost your head, my friend. So did you. Wow, the shotgun's really powerful, apparently. I must have upgraded the shotgun really well. What the? Seriously? What was that all about? Seriously, game? Did you see that? Oh, man. That was awesome. Nah, it's okay about spoiling the game. I don't mind, honestly. I don't mind. We're done with this anyway. We're done with this game. We're finishing this. We're finishing this. The toughest part is that I almost out of ammo. That's the hardest part of this game. The no ammo thing. Oh, I remember this part. I know what's gonna happen. Green herbage. Alright. What happened? Why is everybody lolling? What did I do? Did I say something funny? Did I do a funny? Yeah, this is gonna take a while. This is gonna be tough. I remember this. I'm gonna combine it because might as well. Back to lurking. No problem, Sassy. No problem. Why did I squeak it like that? I don't know. The controls are so annoying. Just when I got used to the controls... Oh. I don't want to push it, though. No. Anyway. Just when I got used to the controls in RE4 on the PS4... I have to get used to them on the PS2 again. Open! 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 Alright, let's go. Your head is very good, that's why. Yeah, this is gonna be annoying, I think. Oh, the annoying voice. Leon! Guys, can you give me a second real quick? Hold on a sec. Be right back. Hold on a sec. I won't take long, I promise. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I noticed that you retweeted me, Cheer. Thank you so much. I don't always get the notifications. I like to always thank right away, but... Oh no, these guys. I know which guys are coming now. Oh, the big ones, yes. The big ones, yes. No, hold on. Shouldn't there be big ones here? There they are. Oh man, how am I gonna do this? Should I use the rocket launcher? I'm scared. Where are they? They're not coming. Okay, my shotgun is powerful. Nice. The gun is empty, so switching. Thank you, Cheer. Alright, so. I'm gonna throw... No, I'm gonna save the grenades, actually. I'm gonna use this. I wanna see what this is all about. I don't remember buying this gun, but... Oh, nice! This gun. I was gonna sell this gun, but I think it's good. Don't you dare. GG. But then again... Shut up! Why did this guy drop nothing? Well, just this guy then. Bye! Okay, let's go. Leon! I hear an electric thing. I'm gonna get electrocuted, am I? You hear that? Right? Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Uh oh! No! Haha! Nice! Uh oh! Come on, open the door! No. Oh, seriously? Wow, this gun is powerful. I'm loving it. I'm not loving this! Okay. Shut up. Seriously? There we go. Wow, this gun is good. Oh, come on, seriously, man? Whoa, this gun is good! Alright. No more ammo, huh? Need to be careful, though. Headshot! Yeah, I can't believe I'm doing so well. I'm gonna have to come back up the stairs again. I'm gonna have to do the whole thing again. I know I do. Friend, come get it. Bye. Have a great time. I love how it loads for a little bit. Ariana, hey! Nice to see you. Welcome. Alright, okay. Oh, man. After beating this game, I'm gonna say it took me 10 years to beat this game. Oh man, let's go. Peekaboo. What's behind this door? Secret? Is V4 here? Somebody said V4. There's V4. I didn't see V4. Hello, V4. I don't like the music here. I don't like the music here. Uh-oh. I have 17 in this gun, and I think I'm gonna have to use it. Feels like a regenerator is gonna show up. Am I right in saying that? Oh, I have a feeling. I have a feeling. The music is very regeneratory. Am I gonna... Feels like it's gonna be a regenerator very soon. Yes, I am. That's what I'm doing. This is a save from 2000. Boom. There he is. There he's gonna come in. He's gonna come in. He's gonna come in. Oh my goodness, and this guy. Alright, here we go. Come on, come on, turn around. Oh man, scary, scary stuff. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Oh my goodness! Ah! Run! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, I'm expecting him to come from that door. Oh my goodness! Oh, you're so gonna get it, man. He's got 4 of them, huh? 1 and 2 and 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on! I can do this. GG. Oh, no, there's one more on the back, is there? Oh, it's never that easy. All right, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. I'm gonna do this. Use. Oh man, my heart is pounding. My heart is pounding. Hold on a sec. Okay. Don't die on me, vlog. I'm already doing better than I did 10 years ago. I'm a better gamer today. I'm gonna use the flash grenade. I think Las Plagas. Yeah, I was gonna say Las Plagas are eliminated by flash grenade. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this with the flash grenade. Are you ready? 1, 2, 2. Take that! Did I do it? No, it didn't work. I have a great time. No, I'm not gonna do this. It's not working, is it? I don't want to use the... You know what? I'm gonna try this anyway. Hold on. Man. No! No! No, don't kill me, please. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Goodness, take a breather. I'm on danger. Hold on. Okay, no problem, no problem. We got this, guys. I still believe we got this. I still believe we got this. What the heck? What's going on? Alright. Run, 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 run. Open the door, open the door, open the door! Oh, come on! Come on, game! This is not going well. This is not going well. I don't want to use the rocket launcher. There we go. In your face, before I did it. In your face. I'm gonna look around to see if there's some stuff, goodies that I can pick up. So, I need to heal. I mean, whether I like it or not, I'm gonna use my last healing item. There's no arguing. I'm gonna see what... Oh! Red herbage. Nice. What's going on? Oh, I forgot to plug in my laptop. Oh, give me a sec, guys. 10% left. Be right back. I've got the messiest mess of wires right now. I've got my PlayStation hooked up. I got my... oh my goodness, so many wires. Okay, so now the laptop is on the left-hand side. Usually it's always on my right side. Now it's on the left. So, yeah. Okay. Ready? Go. So, this, we do this. Oh, hello. There we go. Combine it for later use. What the heck? Come on. Combine. There we go. There has to be something in here. We're doing well. We're doing well. I like this gun, huh? I like this gun more, than ever. Equip. Reload. I'm gonna reload everything. I'm sorry, but I'm happy that I'm happy that I've got ammo now. Alright, so... There's nothing in here, yeah? Nope. Gotta check what's behind here. Is there a way to kill all of them? Wrap. Yes, I plugged in. Yes, I plugged in. We're good. Is there a way to kill all of them? I mean, I'm not gonna bother. I don't think this leads anywhere, to be honest with you. Welcome! There he is, my buddy. I'm just gonna quickly... Yellow herbage. Wrap. What do you mean wrap? What do you mean wrap? There we go. Anything in here that I can do? I don't think I can leave without Ashley. Oh, wow, I'm going up. Don't spam the chat, V4, or I'll come after you. Look at the view. This game looked really good, huh? Back in the day. Back in my day, we used to say, back in my day. Alright. Oh, cutscene.
This is Leon. Request backup. I repeat, request backup.
Damn. So the point of this room was just this cutscene. Huh. Oh, look at that. No, that was worth it. Oh, hello. Also, does anybody know if I've already beaten Sadler here? Not Sadler, sorry, Salazar, I mean. Sorry. Have I beaten Salazar already? I don't know. Welcome. Got some rare things on.
Got a selection of good
So let's sell
things
some
on
stuff.
sale. What are you selling? Is that all, strange? Thank you. Is that all, stranger? Is that all? Thank you. I'll...
I amuse myself easily.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. So, tune up.
What are you buying?
Salazar is already gone. Okay, that's good to know. So, shotgun. Can I upgrade the firepower? Yes, I can. I'm gonna do that. Or maybe the capacity. Should I go for the reload capacity? Should I the capacity or the firepower? What do you guys think? Yeah, echo. Okay, I'm gonna lower the volume down a little bit. Sorry about that. Yeah, because it gets picked up by my microphone. Should be better now. Should be better. So what should I go for anyway? I don't know. I'm gonna go for firepower.
Is that all? Thank you.
No, I'm not so sure about this one. Semi-auto. I'm gonna go with firepower on this one as well.
Is that all? Thank you.
That's it.
Is that all? Thank you.
I don't care much about the reload speed, to be honest. If I'm smart, I don't need to worry about reload speed. Firepower or capacity? I'm gonna check how much ammo I have in my guns actually before I... Because if the gun's empty, this one's got 50. I'm gonna grade the ammo, the capacity. I hope it's worth it. Nope, tune up, tune up.
What are you buying? What are you buying? Is that all?
So from 50 now, I am
Thank
at...
you.
Oh, at 100, you see? That was a good investment. Wanna check something else real quick? Am I allowed to buy...
What are you buying?
First aid spray? I can, but I don't have enough. Not enough cash, stranger! That's fine. We're good. Actually, you know what? Sorry I had to do that. Rip. Alright, out. So Salazar's wrecked, next is Krauser, then Sadler. I forgot where I need to go. Here? Oh, hello. Should I save, guys? Should I save? Huesca would be proud of me. Why? I didn't do anything special. But it's nice of you to say that. Alright, so I'm gonna save. I'm not gonna overwrite though. I'm enjoying that save. That's 2007. I'm gonna overwrite. I'm gonna save here. Instead of 5-1. Alright, let's go. Oh, I am playing on easy. I just realized. Can't believe I made it this far and I rage quit on easy. There's gonna be a bunch here. There they are. I'm gonna equip my shotgun. Actually, you know what? Let's get some distance. Ah, I don't need the scope now. Sorry. So annoying to zoom in and out. That's one. Oh no. That's what? Seriously? Okay. We'll save you for later. I'm gonna switch to the good gun. Do I have any more? No, I don't, but I'm gonna have to be careful. Okay. So far so good, huh? Whew. I'm scared of the Krauser battle, to be honest with you. There we go. So guys, what about the Krauser battle? Do I do it with a knife? Knife only? Yes, say, just the knife. There's gonna be a cutscene here, I think, so... There we go.
Leon.
You okay? Come on, let's get out of here.
Oh, there we go. Should I save? Yeah, why not? Yeah, knife with Krauser, eh? I figured. All right. Nice. What if I don't bother with the letter? It looks like I have to, eh? Paper airplane. Let's go. It's about to get hard. I know it's gonna get hard, so... Let's go. Don't you dare. Oh, hello. There. This guy hasn't had enough. Okay. Ah, he wants more. He wants more. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Maybe I should just use this. I think we're good now. Yep. We're good. Looking around to make sure that I don't miss anything, but I came from here anyway, so... Okie dokie. Oh, wow, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna equip this. I'm gonna throw it out in the air like you just don't care. Alright. And then... Alright, it's gonna trigger more. So I need you to... stay here, Ashley. How do I make her stay? I don't know. How do I make her stay? Alright, there we go. This is the Resident Evil I struggle with the most. Right.
Follow me.
Are we gonna jump now, yeah? Yeah, let's jump.
Looks like this is it.
Ugh, it stinks.
Sure does.
No way, Leon.
Way.
Like, sub, donate. He's gonna trigger all of the commands. Oh, night.
Are you out of your mind?
I think there's only that one
I knew you'd be
command,
fine
though.
if you landed on your butt.
You... What is this?
Come on, let's go.
Oh man, I don't like this. I do not like this. So, which gun should I be using? Because I'm gonna equip this gun. Actually, I'm thinking. This thing has the scope. Anyway, I only have like 2 left, yes. Rifle ammo, so... It's not like I got a choice. Trying to think. I'm gonna try this. Reload the gun. I don't know how well I'm gonna do with this one. Actually, there's a barrel over there of fire. So I think we're gonna be okay. Operate. There we go. There we go. Oh, the spiky ones. Come on, let's go. I close it from here. I pick this up. And then I open this. And then I close it here. And then I come here and I push this as fast as I can. Then we run. Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. No! No, 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 not this! Oh, come on, game. Whew, let's go. I hate regenerators! She did. I have to take them out one by one. I have to take them out one by one. There's no way. Is the pant system dead? Already? I think it is. Let's try again. Give me a sec, guys, because I don't know how it dies, the pants system. I don't know what's with the app, but it happens. I don't know why. That's annoying. Oh, it's working now again. Okie dokie. Let's try again. Try again. I don't mind watching the cutscene again.
Are you out of your mind?
I knew you'd be fine if you landed on your butt.
I think this is the best line that Leon says in the whole game.
What is this?
You'd be fine if you landed on your butt. Alright, so. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, we get it. We get it. You got up. Okay. What is that thing? It's a creature. One of those things. No, no, no. Wrong button. Bueno. Oh no! 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 Not like this! Not like this! Not like this! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Let's go! 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 Come on! We need to push this! Oh come on! Really? Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! We do this! We do this! We got this! We got this! We got this! Okay, get in! Get in! Yes! Yes! That always loses. Oh man, Dad always loses. I feel sorry for Dada. You know what? No, switching guns again. This is much better. Oh, oh, oh. Aha, GG. I'm gonna heal. Combine with this and then use it. Now comes tough part, huh? Of the game. I'm gonna use the shotgun now. Alright. Anything else? Did I miss anything? This is gonna be a tough part here with the wrecking ball. I came in like a wrecking ball! Alright, here we go. I'm not too fond of this, but we have to do this. Oh, she jumped on her own. I thought I had to.
Look, there's a gate here.
I'm not looking forward to this. I'm not looking forward to this! Look at them people! Who will operate it? Somebody. Just... This is gonna be stressful. They're coming both ways, seriously? That's not good. Okay, not good. Come on, operate it! Why is she not operating it? No. Did she do it? We did it. No. Alright, let's go. We need to heal. Run. Run. Come on. We can do this. Don't get caught. So much stress. And this was uneasy. It does feel easier, to be honest with you, though. Alright, another regenerator here. And this is gonna have to be used by Ashley. There we go. Switching back to this one. Alright. Thank you. Right. Guys, be right back. I need to pee. BRB, time to pee. Okay, back. Make myself comfortable. Like this. And let's go. Alright, this is not good. I think it's better if she waits for me here.
Wait.
Oh, wow, he came on his own. GG.
Follow me.
He opens it on his own. Very interesting. What do I hear? Oh no, not you again!
Wait.
Did I get it? I did. Alright. I got it again. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh, seriously? Ashley didn't follow me? Why did she not follow me?
No.
So stupid. Alright, so Ashley's back to being on danger. Actually, you know what? We're good here, actually. Wait here.
Wait.
Oh man, he already showed up.
Follow me.
Ah, I missed the shot. I might as well restart this whole thing. 'Cause I don't have enough now. Oh, I killed him, but I ran out of ammo. Welcome back, Cheer. Okay. You forgot about your coffee. Alright, so. Nothing in here, I'm just making sure, because I can't afford to leave ammo behind. And I want you to stay here.
Wait.
No, I said follow me by mistake. Shotgun time. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. No. This way. Okay, go in. Go through. Then this way. Get in. Send Ashley, come on!
Leave it to me, Leon.
Let's go. Alright. We're speedrunning. Oh, hello, Mister. So I'm gonna pick up some stuff from here. I'm gonna have to heal her. So, what should I give her? Combine with this, combine with this. That's for me. She can have this. She have the small one. Use Ashley. What do you got for me, man?
Welcome.
Hang on, I need to check what I have as guns first.
Got a
Hold on.
selection of.
Let me see what I have as guns.
Come back.
Because I'm gonna upgrade the ones that are empty. For example, these two. If I can upgrade their capacity, I'll have more ammo. Well, actually, everything except the shotgun. Everything except the shotgun. Alright.
What are you buying?
So, rifle. No, capacity. This guy is full. I can't do anything. This guy we can. Not enough cash!
Not enough
Okay, fair
cash,
enough. Fair enough.
stranger.
Yeah,
Not
two
enough
rifles.
cash,
I don't know.
stranger.
Should I sell one of them? Should I sell one of them? Because the other one's very powerful.
What are you selling?
So this one's upgraded this much. I'm gonna sell this one and keep the other one.
Ah. Thank you. What are you buying?
I don't know which one I sold. Is powerful but slow. It feels like this one was more powerful though. Anyway, capacity.
Is that all? Thank you.
How about some more firepower? Somebody just subscribed! 34th Street Coast Gaming, is that it? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. Alright, so I'm gonna upgrade this one, I think.
Is that all? Thank you.
Alright. Let's get out of here. Oh, look at him. Oh, it's not working. Oops. Out. Alright. Oh, he's coming! That was close. Everything I do has to be cut really close. Oh man, this part! I hate this part! I think this one's with the shotgun. I think this one's the shotgun. The shotgun's the best for this one. I forgot about this part. This part is very annoying. Is that it? 3 boxes and all I got was just one set of rounds. That's not good. I know, right, Mark? Okay, no problem. We're gonna have to do it, whether we like it or not.
Leave it to me, Leon.
They only attack from the back. Is that correct? Is that correct? They only come from the back, yes? The front should be fine. Behind us. 7. Okay. Gonna give it a second. There we go. Booyah! Closer. Come closer. Come closer. Oh, that's not good. Closer. Closer, all of you. 1, 2. Stuff real quick. I love how the game freezes a little bit before it tells you which items you're picking up. I'm doing well actually. You have low ammo, I know, right? But we're doing well. Are they coming from the front? No.
I'm leaving it to you.
Alright. I'm leaving it to you. Alright, we're good. There's people up there, yeah, right. No, I don't see them. Shouldn't there be people up? I'm assuming the moment I go up, they're gonna start showing up. Alright, let's see. Trying to think which way is the best, because they're gonna attack her as well. There they come. Are they gonna attack her as well while I'm up here? I want to make sure that this does not happen. Actually, she shouts Leon, so she tells me that we're in trouble, so we're gonna be okay. Oh. Alright, let's go, let's do this, because otherwise I'm gonna be here forever. Just run. Do it now, do it now! No, come on, do it! I'm coming, princess! Coming. What? Did they just... What just happened? Why is the game loading? What happened? Hold on. Hey, Daryl, welcome! What just happened? Oh, okay. That was weird that the game had to load. How weird. Welcome, Daryl. Oh my goodness. This game took me 10 years to beat. I still haven't beaten it. Alright, so I'm gonna go back again. We have to watch the front or the back? tells me behind us, I'll look behind. What the? Don't know what this. No, 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 no! Oh, wow, that was close. Pick up some ammo. Pick up some ammo. Run. Quick turn, and bye, have a great time. Oh, thank you so much for the donation, Daryl. Thank you so much. Donation hype, everyone. You're not allowed to spam in the chat, but now's the time to spam hashtag Daryl. It's the only time you get to spam. I'm spamming too. Thank you so much for the donation. I appreciate that. Hashtag. Spam it! Alright, let's continue. What's that? Oh! No! Oh, that was so close! That was so close! That was so close. I'm still not used to the controls. Wow, my heart is pounding. Okay, we're good. There was an item left on the thing, but I cannot climb up now. Ah, save point. Nice. Still not very confident I'm gonna do this, huh? Some stuff from here. Oh, look, suitcase. Get to the chopper now! Go, run, get to the chopper, do it now! Alright, so...
Welcome. Got a selection of good things on sale,
So, I'm
stranger.
selling that thing I just picked up.
What are you selling? Is that all?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so... Tune up again.
What are you buying?
The shotgun. How about the firepower again? I just reloaded the shotgun. It's not worth it to upgrade the capacity now. How about... Reload speed, I don't care. This is fully upgraded, so... maybe the capacity on this one?
Is that all?
Maybe the firepower?
Thank
No,
you.
that's it. We're done. Come back anytime.
Come back anytime.
Let's go. Out.
I can feel them growing ever so strongly inside you.
Sadler!
Perhaps you can resist, but you cannot disobey. Now, come to me, Ashley.
You see, 10 years ago, I had no idea what was going on. I couldn't follow the story properly. I don't know why, but I couldn't. Now I understand what's going on. She became Moriras vivir, Moriras vivir.
Ashley!
Oh my goodness, I just realized the next boss fight. Oh my goodness, I just realized the next boss fight.
It's already begun.
The one with the crates, the one with the hanging crates. Oh man, the trailer, not crates. Oh my goodness. Save? Yeah, sure, why not? Oh no, that doesn't look good. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that. But we're gonna do this. We're gonna finish this. Alright, out, out, out. I'm gonna look around. Make sure I didn't miss anything. There's nothing except some ammo over here. That's actually... gold. I love gold! Our plan. Can't believe I have to do that. Oh man, that struggle with the boss. At least it's on easy, so maybe it won't be that hard. I don't know. Oh, the Krauser fight as well.
What's the news on our friend Leon?
He's not making it easy. The sample?
Sadler's got it. It seems he sniffed out our little game.
Perfect.
Just so we understand each other clearly, I don't trust you, nor does Wesker. If you try to do anything clever, I will kill you.
Is that so? You know, I met Wesker long before you.
We'll see soon enough if you did.
Yeah, we'll see.
Is this the first time we hear of Wesker in Resident Evil 4? I wonder. Okay, not looking forward to this, but we're gonna have to. And this is what Resident Evil 4 is to me. A series of moments that I'm not looking forward to. A series of boss fights, a series of areas. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Every time you say, I love gold! I remember Ozzy Osbourne saying, all on board. Really? No, I think of Goldmember. I love gold! The look of it, the smell of it, the texture. Yeah, exactly, Cheer. It's about finding the switches, really, and the quick time. It's annoying. It's not because it's hard. It's just annoying. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Have a great time. Wow, you are a tough cookie. Did I hit him? Did he say something in Spanish like the escape, like the escaping? Escape. He did say something like that. Haha! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh! Hurry up! Okay. That didn't work though. Oh, it did work actually. You know what? Enough playing around. It's time to be serious. no, 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 no. Oh, why did I go through the door? That's not what I had in mind. Is this the right way anyway? I don't know. Where am I supposed to go? I think it is the right way. Give me some quick time now. Let's get ready for that.
Been a long time, comrade.
Krauser.
I died in a crash 2 years ago. Is that what they told you?
You're the one who kidnapped Ashley.
You catch on quick, as expected. After all, you and I both know where we come from.
I love the way he turns his knife. Like he turns his knife on his finger, his index finger.
What do you want?
The sample Sadler developed, that's all.
Like a pro. I am gonna do it.
Leave Ashley out of this!
Oh, I needed her to buy Sadler's trust in me. Like you, I'm American.
Once again, I don't know if it's because I'm playing this on the PlayStation 2, maybe the quick time is more forgiving. Maybe it's because I got good.
got her involved
Maybe it's
just for
because
that?
this is on easy. I don't know, but it feels very easy.
All for Umbrella's sake.
Umbrella?
Almost let it slip. Enough talk. Die, comrade!
Ada!
Well, if it isn't the bitch in the red dress.
Looks like we have the upper hand here.
He was right not to trust her.
You may be able to prolong your life, but it's not like you can escape your inevitable death, is it?
You knew each other?
More or less. Maybe it's about time you told me the reason why you're here.
Maybe.
Yeah, like
some
she's
other
gonna tell him
time.
Wesker sent her. Anyway, I don't think of myself as good at this game.
Enjoy the reunion with your old friend.
As a matter of fact, I did.
Wonderful. I wouldn't want my special guests on the island feeling unattended.
Guess I'm supposed to thank you, right?
Ah, I have an idea. Since you're here, why don't I introduce you to it?
To it.
It should keep you busy.
Can't remember
I'm
the
sorry.
name, huh? A senior moment, perhaps.
Oh, enjoy the
I don't
fun.
like this. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to deal with it. But anyway, you said I'm pretty good. I don't think of myself as good at this game. I think this is the game I struggle with the most. And I finished this game like in my life. In my life, I finished this game like 3 times, 4 times maximum. No more than 4. 3, 4 times. Hey, Julian! I am having a great day. Thank you for asking. I hope you're having a good day too, Julian. But yeah, I think I did well with the QTEs because maybe it's uneasy. Maybe it's because it's the PS2 era. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's disc-based. I don't know. Yeah, I beat it on Pro, but I struggled. I kid you not. I struggled and I wanted to cry, huh? I wanted to cry. You know what kept me going? You were there, I think, when I beat it on Pro. You know what kept me going? People cheering me on. Because I really wanted to rage quit so much. This is not easy. I see Wesker do this all the time like a pro, but... And then Wesker showed up, and he's like, you can do it, and I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna do this! No! I died, my goodness. Vloggy's 100% pro, awesome. I mean, technically, if you beat the game on professional, you are a professional, but no, not necessarily. I still get lost in the game, not knowing what to do, and this and that, and this and that. Okay. I mean, I don't mind that I died, because at least now, I get to practice it a few more times. I see Wesker do this in one try, without even flinching. So I don't mind that I have to retry it, because I will get better. This reminds me of the first Resident Evil movie, remember this? This is on easy. I didn't even know there was... Unlocking. I didn't even know there was a... There was an easy mode on this game. Everybody was like, there's an easy mode on this one. I'm like, what? And yes, I started this. Honestly, it's only on easy because it's the save file from 2007 and I went on easy 10 years ago. Oh, there's something here, I think. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. There it is. There it is. It's normal to feel a little rusty, yes, but I mean, I've got no excuse. I've played this game several times, but I'm gonna do the... Oh, Emerald, okay. Like a boss. Look at that. Like a boss. There's no time for resting. It's amazing how I'm continuing a save file from exactly 10 years ago. It was totally random. I didn't have this planned to play it exactly 10 years, but the save file was dated the 28th of May 2007. It's exactly, exactly to the date. It's amazing. I didn't even plan that. That's nice how things work out sometimes. Alright, anything down here? Okay, Daryl. Thank you so much for hanging out, and thank you so much for the donation. Take care. Now, which way? Welcome! There's some stuff in here as well, I think. Some stuffs. And look at that. At least I'm regrouping when it comes to ammo. You know, I'm going to organize myself, actually. I haven't done that in 10 years. I haven't done that in 10 years. I'm going to organize myself. There we go. Looks like I've sold my handgun. I don't have the handgun anymore. It's so weird, eh? And look at that. Look how much ammo I've gotten now. Ah, organization. Look at that. Everything was such a mess. Look at this. So much better. And where's my Magnum? Why do I have Magnum rounds and I don't have a Magnum? Again, what's going on? Ah, organization. Actually, I'm gonna move these here as well. Look at that. Present Vloggy. Meets past Vloggy. Alright, we're good. Actually, I'm gonna put these here as well. So I'm gonna have to deal with that creature now. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that. Welcome. Got a selection. Oh,
Got some rare
list of things selling. I'm gonna sell the stuff.
What are you selling?
So I don't have a handgun, so I might as well sell these.
Is that all? Thank you. I'll.
Okay, that's enough.
Thank you. Is that all?
Alright, we're good. Now,
Thank
buy.
you. What are
Just gonna
you
look at something
buying?
real quick. I can't buy a first aid spray now because I already own one. How weird. So, tune up.
What are you buying?
I cannot. Because I don't own it. Okay. So, shotgun. I'm gonna check real quick.
Come back
Shotgun has 4 rounds. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade the shotgun.
anytime.
I don't get it. Hold on. You should change the title to Resident Evil 4. Not looking for this. What do you mean not looking for this? I don't get it. So, tune up. I'm gonna upgrade the shotgun.
What are you buying?
Shotgun. Capacity. Yes.
Is that all?
What about
Thank you.
The TMP is fine. I have a lot of ammo for the TMP. Capacity is fine. Reload. I'm not gonna reload it. So, shotgun. I can't upgrade the firepower anyway. Not enough cash. That's fine. Oh, there's something behind him. What are you hiding? Oh, it's just some... Mimo. Should I save? Nah, it's fine. We're gonna be okay. Let's go. Not looking forward for this. Here we go. Ah, because I said I'm not looking forward, you mean? Not looking forward for this. Yeah, I'm on the loop right now, saying the same stuff over and over. I have a tendency, I notice, I watch my videos sometimes to see the words that I say the most. And I have a tendency of saying, let's go, we got this, let's go. Alright, let's go. I have a tendency of saying that. And when I used to vlog back in my days, back in my Maltese vlogs, I used to say mela and soa. Soa. It means like so. Or right. Yeah. Soa means like right. Or right. I'm not looking forward for this. I typed Resident Evil wrong. Really? Did I? Doesn't sound like me. Oh, I did! Wow! Resident. That's what happens when you type fast. Oh, wow. Let's see if I can change the... Let me see if I can do this real quick. Hold on. Title. Resident. I didn't realize. Wow. Let's see. Let's see if it changes it now. Yeah. That's awesome. That's awesome. You can update the Resident Evil 4 PS2. Continue myself. Okay. Whew. Here we go. Enough procrastinating.
Ashley. What is that?
Hold on. So I'm gonna change the weapon. Here we go. No! It's a good thing I got the shotgun because it has a wide spread, so I don't really. This is easy. This one's fine. This one's fine. I really like this. Alright, we got this one. Alright, hold on. I'm going to heal. Real quick. Use. I think there's another one here. Nope. Oopsie. Get past them real quick. Get him to go away. No. I took off now. Where's the switch? There was a switch somewhere. I don't see it. See the other switch. I don't see the other switch. Oh wow. Come on! Right. Okay, it's done. This is the hardest part. Up real quick. Come on. Gonna do this. Gonna do this. Right. Oh, come on. It's not looking good, but we're gonna do it. I'm sure of it. I think! No, that's not the right path. Not the right path! Alright, we did it. Just need to get out of here. We did it. All right. Whew. Okay, Julian, no problem. Take your time, buddy. You do what you gotta do. This is it. Bye. All right. He's dead. No, he's not. He's coming back. But this is all the stuff that I didn't pick up over there, because it's like a maze in there. I'm gonna check here real quick. Uh-oh. Or not. Come on! Maybe it's time to use the rocket launcher. Should I use the rocket launcher? Is it time? Hey, crazy! Welcome. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. All right, heal up, heal up, heal up. Combine. All right. Whew. I need to reload while running. Somehow I need to find a way. We did it. Oh, come on! Last shot and I'm out of ammo. Quick turn, quick turn! And switching weapons as well. You know what I'm gonna do? Maybe I should use the incendiary grenades, or however it's pronounced. Alright, like this. Like this. Alright, is he done? No, I don't think he's done. I think he's gonna mutate now, or not. Is he done? No, he's done. Whew, and I'm glad I didn't use the rocket launcher. Alright, wow. No deaths. No deaths. That was good. Not a single death. Jackhammer 2! So here's the story, Jackhammer. Welcome to the stream, by the way. So here's the story. I'm all about how my life got flipped around. In 2007, I rage quit this game. I ran out of ammo. And I didn't have, maybe Jackhammer was just going, what is this? And in 2007, I ran out of ammo, I ran out of money in this game, currency. Back then it was the pesetas, even in Spain, alright? And, anyway, I gave up on this game. I rage quit 10 years ago. 10 years later, exactly to the date, today's the 28th. The save was the 28th of May 2007. Today, the 28th of May 2017, I'm continuing the save file from my PS2. That's what I'm doing. I figured I can do it. I can continue where I left off. gonna equip the TMP, because I'm getting a lot of ammo for this guy. I'm gonna switch to the TMP. I think it's time for Krauser now, yes? So, the knife thing. Yes, it is revenge. In fact, I did call it revenge earlier. Yes. It is revenge. I don't think the elevator takes me anywhere, yeah? Right? Right. I'm gonna try it anyway. Just took me back, right? Oh, wow, I'm glad I came back. Am I going around in circles? No, I don't think so. Or am I? Yes, I am. I was going back. Hello! Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name. Welcome to the stream. Not I cannot pronounce, I'm sure I can pronounce it. I cannot read it. There is a big difference. But welcome to the stream. You just finished the game a few hours ago. Yeah, it took me 10 years to get this far in this game. 10 years. No, but I did beat the game on the PS4 version. A couple of times. It is for the PS2. Alright. Up the ladder we go. So is the Krauser battle coming up now? Knife, knife, knife. Canna. Is it Canna? Am I saying it that? Am I saying that right? Canna. Nice to have you with us. All right, out, 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 out. Boom. I'm gonna finish this today. I don't care what it takes, I am gonna finish this. Gonna be some bad guys here. Come here. Come get me. Come get me, sucker. No? No? Okay. Let's pick up some goodies. And I really picked myself up, huh? I was hopeless on ammo, and now at least it's playable. Again. Because I gave up when it came to regenerators. That was it. Regenerators are annoying. Alright. This is on easy, actually. This is on easy. Not because I'm a coward, because I finished this game on professional on the PS4. This is just the save file from 10 years ago, and I was playing it on easy, and I rage quit. So, yeah. Alright, we're gonna go through here, but I'm gonna look around one more time. One more time. Hello, Lionel. Welcome. I know that the PS2 had an easy mode. Me neither, Ashley. The moment I booted up the game, everybody's like, oh, did you know there's an easy mode on this? I'm like, really? Is there? And then I realized that the save file was actually on easy. It sounds like me that I start the game on easy. Hey, it was a blind run, okay? This was my blind run from from 10 years ago. It was my first time playing it. This is the first time I'm gonna beat this on this. Very interesting. Hello, mister. What's this? Stuffs? You told Matt this. He didn't know about Easy either. So it's amazing. I own this game 3 times. I purchased this game 3 times. I have it on the PS2, the one I'm playing. I have it on the PS4. Both of them are physical copies, PS2 and PS4. And I have it on the PS3, but the PS3 one is a digital one. Krauser's note. It turns out that old man Sadler wasn't buying me from the start. Even though I succeeded in kidnapping Ashley, I sort of sensed this when Sadler didn't completely let me in the loop. Under the circumstances, I had no other alternative but to call her assistance. Perhaps she knew this was the way it was going to turn out all along. I don't feel like reading, I'm sorry. I can't do the voice. PS2 have 3 difficult levels. Easy, normal, and professional. Yes, exactly. I beat the professional one, but only on the PS4. Look at that emoji. I like that. How did you do that, Lionel? If you don't mind telling us. I've been trying to do that on other people's streams, and I couldn't. There's a barrel over there. I'm gonna sell the ammo. Look how bad I was doing. I also sold the handgun. That's how bad I was doing.
Got some rare.
So, I'm gonna sell the handgun.
Is that all?
Even the Magnum. I don't have a Magnum. Can I buy it, perhaps? We'll see. I'll try to buy it because it's a good gun.
Is that all? Thank you.
The Magnum in this game always reminds me of Ashley. You know why? Because she used to tell me, like, when to use it at the right time. So the gun always reminds me of Ashley. Anyway. It's weird, I know. Can I buy it?
What are you buying?
Nine Punisher. This is a broken butterfly. Ashley, should I buy it? Some things never change. I should, but I don't have enough. Never mind. Killer. A very stable yet powerful Magnum. 777. I can actually buy it. What am I saying? Do I have enough? Yes, I do have enough. Should I buy it? Ooh. Look at Lionel with the fancy emojis. Broken butterfly or killer. Feels like this one can be upgraded more. Vloggy, you always forget. Yes, but that was 10 years ago, Ashley. You didn't. You were in there back in the day. I think Capcom should cancel Not a Hero DLC and release new maps for Umbrella Corps instead. Martin, I will come out of the screen and grab you by the neck. Don't ever say that again, or I'll eat you. And welcome to the stream, by the way. Hello. That's a very bad hello to say. Anyway, I am going to buy the broken butterfly. Oh. I don't know which one. The butterfly is more powerful than Max. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna have... I don't think I'm gonna have enough.
I see you have an eye for things. Gun's not just about shooting. It's about reloading. You'll know what I'm talking about.
Guys, I never heard him say that. Is it something exclusive to the PS2? I've never heard him say that. Did anybody ever hear this guy say that dialogue? I am so weirded out right now. I don't know. I'm gonna buy it. Because he said that. Alright, I'm gonna upgrade it now as well. Lionel, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. I will try my best to keep you entertained. Yeah, he says this. He does, for the butterfly. I never, or maybe because I never bought the butterfly then. Interesting. Alright, I'm not gonna need to sell some more stuff though, huh?
What are you selling?
I have the Magnum? Should I sell the hand grenades? It's not like I use them anyway.
Is that Thank you. What are you buying? What are you buying?
Capacity.
Is that all? Is that Thank you.
Not enough cash! Alright. So okay, that's it. That's it. We're good. I think I did the right choice.
Come back.
I think I did the right choice with my guns. Check the gun. Thank you so much for subscribing, Alejandro. Thank you so much. Alright, so check the hold on. Kinda said something. Change your gun to shotgun. To striker, you can do a glitch if you grab striker. What? Ala Naim, thank you so much for subscribing. We got a subscriber train going on right now. Everybody's subscribing. Keep them coming! Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate that. Okay, so. Yeah, GameStube just subscribed! Look at them all coming! Oh man, you can move fast. Oh, I want to try that. I heard about that. I'm not gonna try it today because I don't want to cheat. I want to do this thing legit now. I started this thing legit. I'm gonna finish this legit. It's time to finish this after 10 years. Hey, Gala Morgan! I saw you on Wesker's stream yesterday. Welcome. So, let me tell you what's going on. Maybe you read the title anyway, but I'm going to explain myself for those of you that just joined, okay? For the benefit of everyone. What's going on is that 10 years ago, exactly today 10 years ago, I rage quit on Resident Evil 4 and I never looked back on the PS2. Since then, I have beat. Yay! Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. So, before I was interrupted, 10 years ago, I rage quit and I never looked back. You know, and since then, I did finish the PS4 version a couple of times, even on professional, but I never finished the PS2 version. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm revisiting my PS2 save file. All right, and the thing is this, it was the regenerators. I ran out of ammo, I ran out of money, and I'm like, I'm never gonna do this, and that's it. That's it. So that's what's going on. Anyway, organizing. I have 10 Magnum rounds and I have another 8 here. I think I'm good. I think we're good. Do I go up the ladder? I think so, eh? Why did I rage quit? Yeah, exactly. For the reasons that I just said. I ran into the regenerators. I started shooting them. They started regenerating, like shooting a limb off, and it comes back. I shoot their head off and then they just come back. I'm like, what? I wasted so much ammo on these guys. So much ammo. In fact, I ended up without any ammo. At least I regrouped a little bit here. At least. But yeah, that's what happened. I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna finish this game. This is impossible. Impossible. But then I was like, you know, since I beat this game on professional on the PS4, I think I can, you know, pull myself together and beat this game. It's uneasy, granted, but anyway. So, jump down. Oh man, this part. Get ready for the knifing. I need to get used how to... So this is how I knife. I need to get used to the knifing. I can do this. Time for Frog to play with Jack. We got this, Ashley. We got this. This one's for you, Ashley.
You two are all hooked up now, is that it?
Where's Ashley?
Do you really want to know? She's beyond that gate. But you'll need 3 insignias to open it.
What are you gonna do, Krauser?
There's one in the north, and the other in the east.
And let me guess. You got the last one.
I want to try that. The
Pretty
one you're
much
talking about.
means
Ken. I
you're
wanna
on
try
a
that.
tight leash.
Sounds like you
And
thought
Martin,
this
if
one
you,
out
if
pretty
you notice,
well.
when I'm saving, I'm actually, I started a new save. I did overwrite the 2008 file. It looks good. It says 2007. So I started a new save file. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, I put the controller down. That is not good. Open, 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 open! Practice with the knife. Yes, more magnum. He's coming. Come up here. Ouch. Uh-oh, this is not looking good. I'm not dodging. My heart is pounding. We're gonna do this. Combine? You can't. Okay. That's very noob of me. Hold on. I'm gonna have to use both of them then. The Wii version... I was gonna buy it on the Wii actually. But you can't really move the pointer around. Alright, let's go. Where is he? Oh no, 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 this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. It's because of the controls, guys. It's because of the controls. I'm not used to the way it is configured on the PS2. Doesn't look good. But we're gonna do this. There we go. Alright. Such a good strategy with the knife. Flex his muscles. Alright. So I came through here, so this one should be open now. Oh, I hate there's gonna be the electronic! Oh no!
Getting a bit soft, are we? Good, Leon.
There we go.
What I'm talking.
Alright. Alright, we got this. I need to be careful because of the machines that shoot me now. That is like, those, what are they called? Turrets? There he is. Up there! I got the prompt, but nothing happened.
You're mine. That's what I'm talking about.
Doing well now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow, I'm panicking, huh? I'm panicking. But we're gonna do this. Vloggy's having some audiences tonight. Do I? Do I? I don't like to see how many people are watching. I actually minimize the window because it stresses me out, you know, knowing how many people are watching. I mean, knowing that I have 3 people watching puts me off. Like, 30 viewers, really? Okay. Whew. Breathe, Vloggy. Yes, breathe indeed. Let's do this. I got one.
What do you intend to do restoring Umbrella?
To bring order and balance to this insane world of ours.
A psycho like you can't bring order or balance.
You don't seriously think a conservative mind can charge
Jack
a
is very
course
beautiful,
for the
actually.
world, do you?
He is a handsome son of a biscuit, yes. Jack, he is. Alright.
That's what I'm talking about. Don't just stand there. Come out
Respond.
and fight like a man.
I'm not falling for that one.
Just trying to have fun.
Now what do I do? Is he coming down? There he is. There he is! Sucker! Ouch, 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 ouch. Is he down again? Come down. Come down. Hello!
That's what
I need to heal, huh? I need to heal, I need to heal. And I need to dodge the moment I continue this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine this with this and use. 1, 2. Haha!
That's what I'm talking.
Did he take off? I think he did. Alright, yeah, he took off. He's gone yet. Now I need to push this over here. Hold on. Alright. Hey Green, welcome. Where am I from? I am from the Mediterranean. Europe. Specifically, a teeny tiny island called Malta. That's where I'm from. Yeah, sure is awesome. Sure is a boss. So, we're done here, yes? There's nothing else I need to do here. Correct? I think once I eliminate Krauser, I think the hard part is over. There's gonna be those little turrets shooting at me. Oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh! Oh, come on! But at least knowing that Krauser showed up here, I think I'm going the right way. Alright, have you played Resident Evil? Of course. Nothing. When it comes to Resident Evil, nothing gets past me. Nothing. Not even fan games. Nothing. Nothing! Up here? Where's the way it came from? Feels like this is the way it came from. I don't know. Yes, it is. Noob! Yes, I played. I love Resident Evil. I love Resident Evil. Especially the obscure titles. I love the ones not lesser known, but people that the less mainstream ones. I mean, like I love the Outbreak series. Alright, I'm going the right way, I think. This door over here. Are you open? Yes. No, but this is the way I came from. No, I'm going back. No. I recognize this area. Okay, try again. As Vloggy said, women don't have a good sense of direction. Seriously? I never said that. No, I never said that. No, I never said that. I say I don't have a good sense of direction. No, I don't think women do. I don't think women don't have a good sense of direction. Actually, I think when it comes to men and women, I think men are less capable of doing certain things that women can, like multitasking. I think men are not good at multitasking. Maybe it's just me, perhaps, I don't know. But I think women are better at doing that. This is the way I came from. This is where Krauser was. Hold on. There we go. Sorry, I suck. There it is. The stupid drones. I need to be careful here. We also have good memories. I read once, and I don't know if it's true or not. But I don't know if it's true or not. Once I read that women have... Whoa! That scared me. Thank you for subscribing! Once I read that women have like a hormone that helps them forget how painful childbirth is, so that they can actually go through it again. Won't mind going through it. That's what I read once. I don't know if it's true or not, but I don't know if it's true or not.
What is it that you fight for, comrade?
My past, I suppose.
Umbrella.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. Heal up, buddy. Combine. Hey, Philippe, welcome. Who's worse, William Birkin or Nemesis? Oh wow. Who's worse? As in what worse? As in scariest or the toughest? Maybe it's this is gonna sound biased, but I'm a big fan of Resident Evil 2, so I would say William Birkin is cooler and bosser. I like Nemesis because Nemesis stalks you. I like that he doesn't give up. He keeps chasing you, you know. But I love Birkin. Yesterday I bought the Funko Pop of Resident Evil Nemesis and Jill. They're so pretty. Hey Emir. Combat, fighting. All right. No, I think William's tougher still. I think William's still tougher than Nemesis. I think Nemesis doesn't put a really good fight, in my opinion. I mean, for the fact that he chases you around and he has a rocket launcher, he should be tougher to beat. But that's just me. Hey, hello, George Gomez, welcome. Sorry, I'm missing out some comments, and sometimes I miss to say hello to certain people. And I don't like it when I miss comments. Alright, guys, let's go. I'm gonna pick this up. Did I kill the drone? Yeah, I think it's over. No! Ooh, wow, that was lucky. Okay, locked in. Up we go. All right, am I ready for this? I don't think so. Trick question. Both trying to kill you. Who is the sweetest, William or Nemesis? Renato, I mean, I don't speak Spanish, but I mean, if you want to speak Spanish, you can do so, but I won't understand you, I'm sorry. That's why I recommend English. I mean, I won't be mad at you. Use knife only on Krauser, I know. We know that, friendly, we know that. Friendly Trasher. I like your username. Alright, let's go. Ready? Krauser! Where are you? Magnum ammo, nice. There it is. All right, let's go. Here we go.
Two down, one more to go.
Quick question, guys. Quick question. When he develops that wing thing that he has on his arm, do I still keep doing the knife? Not this one, not this. When he has like a little wing. Do I still do the knife? Do I go knife all the way?
Witness the power! Witness the power! You've lost it completely, Krauser. Prepare for your death, Leon.
game. I like that. Knife all the way. Knife all the way. I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna heal. I'm not gonna trust this. I'm not gonna trust this. Combine. 1, 2, go. I'm mastering the controls now. Is it? Is that it? Is that it? GG? Yes. Actually, strictly speaking. Okay, guys, I need to get out of here now. I need to remember which way is out. Which way is out? Can I jump from here? No, no, no. I've got 2 minutes to find the way out. Alright, that was fast actually. We did it, GG. I think the hard part is over. Ashley is always giving me the tips. We did it. We're out of here. Yes! It took me 10 years to beat this game. I'm gonna save. You see, this one is from 2007. I'm not overwriting it because it looks cool 2007, so I'm using this one. If you look closely, it says a name has subscribed in the middle. What? Oh, hold on. Oh yes, it's true. It happens sometimes from time to time. I'm gonna fix that. Hold on. Alright, it's gone now. Sorry about that. Yes, the image gets burned, we call it. It just stays like that. Every now and then it happens. I think when I get a bunch of subscribers subscribe at the same time. That's fine, guys. Keep breaking my sub alert. Make it happen again. Oh yeah, Vloggy, my best friend's going to live with me, has a fat PS3, we're talking about fixing today. Yes, you do that. Hey, Fodes, welcome. Alright, yes, you do that. Oh man, I hate this part! Just when I thought that the hard part is over. Nice you tried. It took me 10 years to finish this game.
So, it seems you killed Krauser too. How shall I return my
The way he talks is funny.
appreciation?
Typical
What are you
villain.
talking about? I thought he was with you.
What
The
are
cliché
you
villain.
talking about? Did you really think I'd trust an American? To tell you the truth, I was contemplating how
It's
to get
uneasy,
rid
yeah, I
of
know,
him. But thanks to you,
I think I'm gonna die a few
that's
times
no
though,
longer
Ashley, I think.
necessary.
Yeah, this part is
Just
easy. Cheers,
using him
stop
right
it.
from the
This is
start.
when I started
Oh,
sweating
I must
blood
hand
when I
it
played
to
this on
you.
professional.
You've demonstrated quite a bit of promise by killing Krauser. When your assimilation with Las Plagas is complete,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
have you
Sadler's easy. That's why I'm
serve
saving
as
the
my
rocket launcher. I have a rocket launcher with his
Unfortunately,
name
I'm gonna have
on
to
it.
decline your generous offer. I have prior engagements.
Enjoy your smart mouthing while you can.
Alright. Yeah, this part. Oh man, this part. You know what? I have a perfectly good... Where is it? This is gonna be helpful, I think. This was easy on Pro. Stop saying that, Friendly Trasher. It's not true. It's not true. I wanted to cry. The only thing kept me going was people in chat. Don't give up, come on. I'm like, okay. This part was hard.
¿Viste algo? No hay problema.
Damn. Hey, it's about time.
Mike!
Sorry, bad traffic. I'll cover you.
This part gets really noisy, guys, so if the game audio overpowers me, let me know. Yes, it is a pain, Ashley, exactly. And Ashley, I think of her as a Resident Evil 4 Pro.
Aquí está.
And if Ashley says it's a pain, it must be. Get to the chopper now! Bad traffic. In fact, another memory just popped up from 10 years ago. I remember when I saw, you know, because the second part of Resident Evil 4 turns into military kind of. They have weapons and guns and Gatling guns and you know the works, rocket launchers, and I was like, seriously, this is Resident Evil now? Where are the zombies? And that annoyed me so much that already was like halfway through raging. And then the regenerator showed up and I'm like, nope, 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 GG. Oh man! Alright, that's not fun. Hey, Zomber! Sorry, I keep missing people's names! Sorry. Oh, more Magnum. Nice! How many do I have now? 17 and 10. That's good. Let's go. We're here to cheer for you. Yes, Liz. This is the hardest part, I think. Nope, nope, nope. Ah! Oh wow, he's doing a good job. I'm having a hard time aiming right now. Whoa, 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 whoa! Nice! Alright, let me feel though. Sorry, I'm not looking at chat right now. I'm not looking at chat right now, sorry about that. Leon and Ashley sitting in a train. So, nobody's operating that gun over there, right? Right? Alright, I'm going there. Run, buddy, run! Uh-oh. Now somebody's operating it, seriously! Not there. Alright, GG. Thank you, Mike. Oh. There we go. Uh-oh. No! Ah! Oh, seriously? No, 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 no. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. Switching guns. I need to reload as well. Somebody's asking something about Silent Hill. I never played Silent Hill in my life. Ever, ever, ever. So, what do I do up here? Nothing, eh? Ah, this guy! Yeah, I'm gonna put that. Hello, Andy. Welcome. So many new usernames today in chat. I like that. Nice to see you all. You must be here for Resident Evil. I love Resident Evil. If you love Resident Evil, you're in the right place. Oh, wow! Wow! Mike is doing all the job. Whoa, 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 whoa! Mike is doing all the work. There's the Gatling gun guy. Oh! No, 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 no! I would have never imagined 10 years ago that I would be continuing the save file 10 years later, streaming it, everybody watching me. It's interesting. Back in 10 years ago, internet wasn't even a thing yet, you know? No handgun. I must have sold the handgun 10 years ago. Alright, so, let's try it again. Handgun is for noobs. I sold it 10 years ago. What handgun? What handgun? Yeah, you see, I was so desperate on money, I needed money, that I had to sell my weapons and stuff. So weird. Yeah, YouTube started in 2000. YouTube started. First came across YouTube back in 2006. I think this is the final part. But before I do that, I'm gonna check around real quick. There's some tents here. I need to check. Oh wow, Mike is doing a very good job. I've been on YouTube a very long time, huh? I've been on YouTube a very long time. I've been doing different things though. If you check this channel, how when I launched it, 2019. I like your humor, friend Josh. I like your humor. Alright, so yeah, if you check my channel, you see that it's a very old channel. I've been around for a very long time. I started my channel doing vlogs, and then I switched to Let's Plays. Alright, hold on. Actually, why am I equipping this gun? I still have a perfectly good... Look how powerful my gun is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't remember what the first video I saw on YouTube. Seriously? Seriously, guys? Really? You know the first video you saw on YouTube? barely remember what I ate last night. I'm hungry. What am I gonna eat now? Oh, don't you dare, sucker. Don't you dare, sucker. Ah, I knew it, I saw it. It's gonna take a while to aim. Oh, GG. I'm gonna heal though. Combine with this, so I'll have something big to heal with. The earliest memories I have of YouTube, like the first stuff I remember watching was AVGN, and to this day I still watch it. It's very interesting, eh? To this day I still watch AVGN. No! Oh, nice. No, get in there. I'm gonna have to heal again. Shooting. Oh. Oh no, not good. I knew it. I am gonna die here. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll die, maybe I won't. Who else is shooting? Anybody else? Oh, there's more people over there. Anybody else? There's another guy up there, okay. Sucker! Alright, so I have to go to the other side again. Oh. Yay! Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much. Anybody else want to subscribe so we break the notification system again? Somebody managed to do that earlier. GG, guys. Tekken 7. I want to get Tekken. I really do, but it looks very meh. And Panda's not gonna be there. My favorite character, Panda. No Panda, no life. Oh. Oh, this is not good. We got each other. Yeah, because of animal rights. Are you kidding me, like, seriously? That's why. Oh, there's another switch up there. Oopsie. Because of animal rights, seriously. That is so stupid. And that's why I'm not getting the game, as a sign of protest. Listen, guys, I'm lost. Jump over. Hello, cutie vloggy. Kenna Christ. Welcome. Nice to see you. Jump down. Jump down. Can you jump down, please? I don't feel like going the long way around. There we go. Amy! Now it's a party. Amy is here. Hello, Amy. As I was setting up for this stream, I thought of you. Like, look at me. I'm going all Amy today. I'm playing for my PS2. I set up my PS2. I have so many wires right now. You wouldn't believe it. I should take a picture. It's embarrassing. I am going to take a picture right now, actually. I'm going to take a picture right now. There's no need for flash, actually. There's enough light. Hold on. Alright. I took a picture. I will tweet it later. Anyway, yeah. Sorry about that. I'm out of ammo. Yeah, I hate wires too. I'm gonna some people like some people are like I'm gonna keep the PlayStation 2 up in case I want to stream something else. I can't have all this. I'm gonna disassemble everything, and if I'm gonna stream again tomorrow, I'll start over. King Gamer Arthur, welcome. And is Toby here as well? Yes, Toby's here as well. It's a good thing you people greet others, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to tell. Sometimes I'm gonna miss certain names. All right, enough rambling. Let's go. Actually, time to equip this now. No, it's too soon. Hold on. Too soon. Hey, the cardist. Welcome. Hey, Vloggy board.
Take cover!
Rip Mike, GG.
Thanks. When we get out of here, drinks are on me.
Yeah, hey, I know a good bar.
I'll make sure you're the next to go, Saddler.
Ooh, I'm sorry, Leon.
Saddler, you bastard!
It's nothing to get all upset about. Don't tell me you've never swatted a father.
I love that command that night that
In essence,
Nightbot
it's the
does.
same
Please
thing.
like and subscribe for
What
the
did you
VloggyBuddy
say?
more great
Insects in life
content.
doesn't compare to
Wesker
human
set that up.
lives.
When you've acquired this power, you too will understand.
Guess it's another good reason to get the parasite out of my body.
I wish you luck.
Yes, Mia, it is. It's history. Considering what I'm doing right now, this is a save file from 2007. I wanted to continue it. So this save file is 10 years old. That's what I'm doing, Mia. Welcome to the stream, by the way. You know what? I was thinking the same thing, actually. Mia Khalifa is a very nice name. I agree. I was thinking the same thing. I thought it, and you said it, Friendly Treasure. Hey, hola! Bravo, welcome. Let's go. Good. Sorry, I was on toilet. Thank you, Amy. Thank you for telling us. That is very... toilet hype. Thank you, Amy. Thank you for telling us. Oh, this part. This part, I'm gonna keep the shotgun, actually. This part, I think. Is it really? Is it really? I didn't realize. Is it really? No. Really?
Leon, you okay?
Yeah.
Hello, Stella. Welcome.
Sorry, Ada.
He just swallowed
We
some
have to
Viagra.
get that parasite out of your body.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. But before that, I gotta save Ashley.
Fine.
Juan Pablo,
Split up.
welcome. You're getting more views now, Vloggy. Am I really? I don't know. I don't know. Not that I don't care, honestly. Not that I don't care about the views, because I mean, I appreciate and I care for every one of you being here. You make the stream interesting, not me. You keep me company. You know, otherwise I would be just silent. But I minimize it because if there's not many people watching, it puts me down and it makes me want to end the stream because nobody's watching. You know, but if there's a lot of people watching, it like puts me under pressure. I'm like, I don't want to see how many people are watching. So yeah, that's the thing. Swalby, Facecam, we need dancing. Swalby, you missed it. I think you missed it last week. Was it last week? Yeah, it was last week. We did it, Swalby. We danced. We danced. Yes, guys, by the way, if you are new to my channel, every now and then I do a song request where we put music on and we dance and we put the camera on. It happens. It happens. How are you, Swalby? Swalby's a fellow streamer. Just like Amy as well. Who else is a streamer here? I know Swalby for sure and Amy for sure. Hello, Brandon. $36? Okay. Nice to have you all. You are awesome. You are awesome. 39, 40. Okay. That's enough. That's... Oh no! Oh no! We're not done. We're not done, guys. There's another... Oh man. Not looking forward to this. There's gonna be another regenerator here. I know it. What have I done? You've done nothing, Amy. You're just being awesome. The awesomest. Awesomest. Alright. That doesn't look good. Alright, I'm gonna make a run for it because there's gonna be a originator here somewhere. Here? Or here? Quickly now! Quickly! I'm just gonna make a run for it, I don't care. Where is it? Oh my goodness, it freaked me out! I wasn't expecting him to be so close. Okay, we got this. He's in last. Oh man, that really freaked me out. It's all Amy's fault. Alright. You know what? I'm not gonna get a chance to use this Magnum, so... What, really? Really? There we go. Yeah, I did it on purpose. I know it took me a lot of ammo, but it's just whatever. By the way, I was in a cozy bar earlier and the girls were dancing all over the bar. Really? Really? Was it nice? What were you doing there? Wait, that is the question actually. What were you doing there? Who took you there? Hey, Flame Gaming, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Alright, so... Climb up. How many times have you played this? And it's... No, Juan, honestly, I finished this game only like 3 times in my life. Or maybe 4 the most. And those are very spaced out. Like, not like after each other. So I forget from time to time again. So Mia Khalifa, are you the real deal, or you're just putting your username like that? I'm the real deal. You know, so how we sometimes get people like Leon Kennedy in chat. Like, are you the Leon Kennedy, the real Leon Kennedy? Alright, hold on. There we go. Like Amy. Amy, are you the real Amy? Is your name really Amy? Alright. I'm gonna change my gun again. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, Kana, no problem. Okay, that's not good. Uh-oh. Alright, so... I'm not sure if I said hello to Leonardo. If I haven't, I'm sorry. Hello. Hello. Vloggy must know, it's imperative. No, I didn't even know. People pointed it out in the chat, like... Oh, come on. Look at Toby borking all around. Bork. Watch out, 40 Krausers. Yeah, right. So now, you know what I'm gonna do now? So, may I need to agree you, Facebook? What? How can you find me? In the description, I think I have a link where my Facebook is. I have Facebook, I have Twitter, and I have Discord. Do you want to join my Discord, guys? Let's play. Let's have some Discord on stream. Let's. I have a Discord here. Hold on. Let's Discord it up. And if anybody who has Discord, we keep chatting after the stream. So if you want to play, this link expires in 30 minutes. So go. Join my Discord. Entry, please. Alright, so... I'm gonna go use this gun again. Lel. What do you mean Facebook? I have Facebook. Hold on. Are we good here? Oh, there's one guy up there, and he missed. He missed. Alright. Can we do this? Boom! And he's down. One guy up there that needs fixing. Bye, have a great time. There he comes. Here he comes. Now is the time for me to equip. No, not this guy. Not this guy. This guy. Alright. What, did I equip the wrong thing? I did. Wow, I'm wasting a lot of ammo on this guy. Not good. There we go. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Will you finish it today? Yes, I will, Mia. Definitely. Definitely, definitely, definitely. Do I have another flash grenade? No way. Show yourself, sucker. Where is he? Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. That was cheap. That was very cheap. Thank you, Jack. You sniped the kill for me. Thank you, Jack Hammer. It's good to know that you have my back. Healthy regenerator. Alright, hold on, I need to heal. Use. Where is he? Where is he? Thank you, Jack. I appreciate that. That's why you're one of my soldiers. Come on, show yourself, sucker. Oh, oh, oh. No, no, no. My cheap way of defeating monsters. GG! Haha! You can't understand me very well because that I talk very fast, probably. It's okay. It's okay. I don't get offended because I know it's true. Where are they? Ah, more peoples. thing. Oh. No, 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 no! Ah, stupid reload. Reload always gets me. You're trying to finish Separate PS2. Do you intend to do it? Not today, though. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. No, I mean, not today for sure. On the PS2, I don't know. I don't know. If I do make Separate Ways, I'd rather do it on the PS4. It looks better. So I need to get the key card. Drink hype. I would love a drink right now. But I'm playing. I should stop and make myself a drink. I deserve it. You're drinking coffee, does it count? Yes, it counts as... Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Am I being followed? Look at me picking up ammo for the handgun. Hello? Hello? Oh, seriously? But I was shooting! Look how much ammo it takes. I'm wasting ammo now. Okay, reload. I'm wasting ammo now. I went from not having enough ammo to waste... what the heck is shooting me? You know what? It's time for... I have a great time. Someone's shooting from up there. I need to find out who it was. I'm wasting a lot of shotgun rounds. I know I am. No! Ah, I deserve that. Because the game punished me. Alright. Did this guy die? Yes, he did. Alright. Almost there. at that guy. I shot a barrel right in his face. What? I thought I did it! I didn't! Ah! Back to the drawing board. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right, Cheer? I know I did that. I know I did a boo-boo. All I did was release the locks. I didn't realize that I had to push the buttons as well. That's one. Oh yeah, a lot of them is gonna show up now. I know this. This is why I love watching you stream, because I get lost. It's fun to watch me get lost. Huh? 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 And we did it. Uh-oh. These guys. I saved this for you. I hope you appreciate the gift. This guy didn't appreciate it. Let's go. Bork, bork. They're gone. Zet, they're all gone. Welcome to the stream. For those of you that just joined, what's going on is I'm playing my save file from 2007 that I never finished.
You'll soon harbor an awesome power. Yet it seems you would rather choose death.
I'm taking Ashley back, whether you like it or not.
Ah, the audacity of youth.
Leon, now!
Let's go!
Alright. I'm enjoying it. I'm watching what's going on in chat right now. It's funny. Alright, so people are thinking that cheer is oh, it's gone! Cheer is just cheer now. It's no longer cabbage. I like it, cheer. Because cabbage was first, and people usually go for cabbage first because it's the first part of the name. And I hated calling you cabbage. Anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna reorganize my inventory real quick because it's annoying me. Hold on. I'm gonna sell most of this actually, so. Is Amy still here? Amy, you promised me a professional run on your stream, and you never did it. Hmm? What's up with that? Huh? Are you saying you're not good enough? Where's Amy? Fine, Vlog, you noticed that I changed my name for him. Seriously? Now you changed it? I didn't realize. But I'm slow, and I'm playing. I'm playing one of the hardest games I ever played. I think Resident Evil 4 is a hard game. I think. Welcome.
Welcome. Got a selection of
So selling
good
some
things
stuff,
on
handgun
what are
ammo,
you
all of it.
selling? Is that all? Thank you.
I'm gonna sell these now.
Is that all? Is that all? Thank you. I'll.
I'm sorry. Oh man, I can never have enough of that. I need to make this as a notification on my phone. Change my name. Got the thermoscope. Seriously, and that was one of the intense moments. Cheer. That was one of the intense moments. I was dealing with regenerators, so bear with me. All right, tune up. Can I
What are you buying?
upgrade the broken butterfly again? Yes, capacity. Yes.
Is that all?
Thank you. I'm gonna upgrade all the way.
You. Is that?
Not enough cash, stranger.
Stranger.
Anytime.
Anytime.
Let's go. Please tell me when he's done ahing. Ah. 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 You know what? You know what? What? Bye, have a great time. Oh, no! Okay, that's not good. Alright, that's not good. You know what? Which gun am I gonna use? Shotgun. Shotgun! Shut up, you. Uh-oh. Okay. Whew. Really? Leon, how was your text tone? I love it. That's awesome. I cannot read Arabic. I can speak Maltese, which sounds like Arabic. But you're welcome to the stream. I'm gonna check something real quick. Hold on. I thought there was another door. Is this the way I came from? No, it's not the same door. Okay, I don't know.
This hunk of junk? I don't know about this, Leon.
There's only one way to find out. You operate.
Okay, kids, you're welcome to watch the stream, but lower the volumes, okay? Lower the volumes now.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
That's alright,
Alright.
friendly, don't worry.
Here goes nothing. How are you feeling?
Like $1,000,000.
I thought you were gonna die. Alright. Guess I'm up.
Alright, lower your volumes now, alright? You don't want to give your parents the wrong impression.
You okay?
Yes, Leon was pregnant. Pantless whisper. I
don't know about you, but I think it's time to go home.
Yes! We finished that one too. Alright. Am I gonna save? Yeah, why not? Now you know what I mean, Mark, eh? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Where am I from? I'm from the Mediterranean, Europe. Specifically Malta. Lord 2007, that's 10 years ago, exactly. Okay, hold on. Get a PS4 and get the new Resident Evil, stop that cringe song and get good. Seriously? Seriously? I have a PS4 and I finished it on a PS4. Alright, so I saved. I'm gonna look around real quick, make sure I don't miss anything. Anything up here. It's amazing how many we call them RE4 tards. This game, I mean, it attracts a lot of awesome people, but it attracts also a lot of stupid, childish people. A lot of trolls. We call them the RE4 tards. It's spelled like this. I'm gonna type it in chat. Hold on. Like that. Oh, is Julian leaving? I missed it. See ya, Julian. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. You are awesome, my friend. You are awesome. Wait, who's leaving? Is it Julian or... Hold on, who's leaving? Is it Julian or Ashley? Oh, Ashley's leaving. Oh, Ashley's leaving. Sorry about that. Julian's staying. Sorry. See ya, Ashley. Thank you so much for hanging out. Alright, let's go. You see, it's hard to play a game. It's hard to play a game and... Yeah, Danilo, thank you so much for subscribing.
Welcome. Good things on sale.
So sell. Do I have anything to sell? I don't think I have anything else to sell now. We're done. We're GG. Doesn't matter. Okay. As long as it doesn't.
What are you buying?
What are you buying? I wanted to see if I could upgrade the broken butterfly one more time, but I don't think I can. Not enough cash, stranger.
Come back.
Alright, so... Hey, good evening. Welcome. Welcome.
Something's not right. Ashley, you stay here.
Yeah, thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. I'll try my best to keep you entertained. We're approaching the end of the stream anyway. Vloggy, I subbed previous chapter but didn't get notified. You know why? Probably your subscriptions are set to private. That could be why. That should be the only reason why, actually. If your subscriptions are set to private, obviously it won't show that you subscribed. It keeps them private.
Better try a new trick, cause that one's getting old.
I don't use Steam really, friendly. I don't use Steam. And even on PS4, there's no point adding me because I don't play online.
I've been better.
I don't.
What's so funny?
Oh, I think you know. The American prevailing is a cliche that only happens in your Hollywood movies. Oh, Mr. Kennedy, you entertain
It's an easy
me.
final boss, I agree.
To show my appreciation, I will help you awaken from your world of
And you know what's
cliches.
annoying? You don't get to see him transform. Look, you see this scene right now?
Ada, stand back.
Where do you see him transform? I forgot. No. It's not, look, it's not an actual transformation. Thank you for subscribing, Zed. This kill is for you, my friend. You don't get to see him transform properly, like, I don't think it's a good transformation, I don't know. A spider came out of his head. Alright, so what do I do now? Do I need to shoot the things on his... I think so, eh? Alright, so... Oh, that's not good! That's not a good start. So what I'm gonna do is... hold on. Combine. What? Really? That's cheap. I'm gonna shoot my rocket launcher at him right now. Right now. This skill is for all of you, actually. All of you. Ready? I hope I don't mess this up. I feel like I messed it up. Alright, let's try this again. Shoot his eye. Yeah, I know. I'm just playing, you know how it is. It's a game. What? What? No more? Okay, that's not good! Alright, that is not what I had in mind. That is not what I had in mind. Alright. No. Uh-oh. Can't hit the eye. Alright, I got it now. Am I gonna miss? No, I didn't miss. Oh, run. Where's the eye? There it is. GG.
Who's this?
Where is it? That's on the floor over there. This gun is like a camera. You know why? Here comes a cheesy line. Because you point and shoot. So cheesy. Hey Kurt, welcome! Welcome Kurt! When are you doing a face cam? I do face cam, Kurt. You just miss it. But I do face cam. If you check my previous streams, I do face cam from time to time. I did one last week. I do also song requests where I dance. There she is. She's working for Wesker.
Leon. Hand it over.
Ada, you do know what this is.
Actually, Paprastas, it's not. It's not GG yet. Thank you for subscribing, Madness. Welcome. I love your username. It's not GG yet. It's not GG yet. I'm gonna do some acrobatics now. I'm gonna get cocky and it's gonna hurt, I think. We'll see.
Gotta go. If I were you, I'd get off this island too.
Sure,
She really pushed it.
Here, catch. Better get a move on. See you around.
Alright, I am gonna fail a couple of times because I wanna get cocky and doing something. So, we'll see. How cute. How
Very cute.
The self-destruct sequence has been activated. This sequence may not be aborted. All vloggies proceed to the emergency car at the bottom platform. Yes, there's an easy difficulty apparently. I didn't know that. Hold on. Let's go. Yes, Alexis, there's an easy difficulty. I didn't know that. It's from my old save file from 10 years ago. It took me 10 years, exactly 10 years to beat this game.
Leon,
We have to get off this island now. It's gonna blow any minute.
it's gonna what?
Yeah, so for the record, I have beaten this game before. I have beaten it on a PS4. Even on Professional I beat it. But I never beat it on my PS2. I rage quit 10 years ago and never looked back at this save. So that was it. That was it. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna try something. We're gonna do this. 10 years. I know, right? Alright, let's do this. Hang on, sweetheart. Now, how do I accelerate? I forgot. Well, I need to know the controls. How do you accelerate? Oh, like this. Alright, alright. I got it. Let's see if I got this right. No, it's not like this then. I can't look at chat right now, obviously. Alright, let's see if I can pull this off. I am gonna die. I am gonna die for sure. Because I'm gonna try to do something. I'm gonna try to do something. That's why. I might fail. Yeah! Woohoo! There we go. That's what I was trying to do. Ooh, and I didn't die once. Nice. Oh, look! EDM Cool 30 is actually Maltese. Is actually Maltese. And no, I'm not. And we don't talk politics here, okay? So keep it English. Keep it English so everybody understands what's going on. It's nice to have you here. Keep it English and no politics. Now it's GG, by the way. Thank you very much. Where's the GGs? Bring on the GGs.
Let's go home.
Sounds like a great idea. Mission accomplished. Right, Leon?
Not quite. I still have to get you home safe.
So, after you take me back to my place, how about we do some, overtime?
Sorry.
Somehow I knew you'd say that, but it doesn't hurt to ask, you know? So, who was that woman anyway?
Why do you ask?
Come on, tell me.
She's like a part of me I can't let go. Let's leave it at that.
Alright, we did it! 10 years later, I beat this game. 10 years and Vloggy finally got his revenge. Yes, yes. It was a hopeless case. The save was a hopeless case. Because I ran out of ammo, I was dealing with regenerators. It was a mess. Thank you so much for the GGs, everyone. It was fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. So that's pretty much it. This is the end of the stream. I should get some sort of achievement. There is no achievement on the PS2. I'm kidding. But I should get some sort of achievement that I beat the game in 10 years. That's so funny. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone that hung out with me in chat. I know you're no longer here, Daryl. Thank you so much for the donation. I appreciate that. Thank you for the new subscribees. And thank you for keeping me company. I'm gonna go. If you enjoyed the stream, I appreciate a like on your way out. And if you want more Resident Evil, I'm a fan of the franchise. And I play a lot of Outbreak and Resident Evil 2. And yeah, the lesser mainstream ones. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out. And I will see you probably Friday, perhaps? Maybe Friday. Most likely Friday. Take care, guys. Bye.